Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is RF Controlled Robot with Obstacle Avoidance. So here we are using two parts. One is transmitter part, another one is receiver part. In the transmitter part, we are using 9 volts battery, HT12E encoder, 4 tactile switch buttons, up down switch button, and RF transmitter. So here RF transmitter module unit. It consists of 9 volts battery, 7805 regulator, RF transmitter with 4 tactile switch buttons. So forward, backward, left, right, HT12E encoder. So we need to give the power supply here. Okay. So let us coming into the receiver module. Receiver module consists of Arduino Uno R3, RF RX12D decoder, 433 MHz frequency, 5 meter distance, ultrasonic obstacle sensor. If 50 centimeters below, it will take right turn. If 15 centimeters and above, there is no obstacle. So L293D driver IC, quadrupole HBG driver IC. The purpose of the driver IC is to drive the 2 DC motors. So RF receiver, it is connected with the 8, 9, 10, 11 data line, and Arduino, it is controlling the robot using A0, A1, A2, A3 data lines. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 12 volt battery with 1 amp 1 amp 12 volts battery. So here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor 7809, after that 7805, and LED. So here Arduino Uno R3 board, A0, A1, A2, A3, it is given to L293D driver IC, and 2 DC motors, M1, M2, motor 1, motor 2. So HT12D decoder and RF module decoder, it is connected with the 8, 9, 10, 11. Ultrasonic obstacle sensor, it is connected to the third pin trigger, second pin echo. Let's coming into the programming part. So here my data lines are 8, 9, 10, 11. So A0, A1, A2, A3, trigger third and 2. So it is, so we are controlling the robot. So now I am starting the power supply. Okay. So this is my RF transmitter part. So if I am giving, okay, so if I am giving down, okay, okay, backward, left, sorry, right, left, okay, backward, forward, okay, 15 centimeters, okay, backward, left, right, forward, stop, forward, okay. So we can add multiple ultrasonic sensor also, like here also we can add, but a student asked only for the one obstacle sensor, so we added single ultrasonic sensor in this obstacle avoidance, forward direction only. We can add for backward direction also. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.